Hey, let me show you how you can remove your SIM cards or memory card from the SIM slot on the Redmi Note 13. So first of all, that's really obvious that we have to open the SIM slot and we have to use the SIM tool. We have to input it just right here. Now press on it. There we go. Then remove the SIM tool and grab with your fingernails the SIM slot. And as you can see from this, to remove this stuff, I can recommend you to first grab this SIM tool. Let's just catch focus. There we go. And now input the SIM tool right here. There we go. And now rotate and input a SIM tool right here. There we go. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.